Super easy cushion cover tutorial. What do you need? Start with drawing a straight line. I made a cushion cover size 50 times 50 centimeters, which means I need 2 centimeters extra width for the seam allowance. Measure 52 centimeters from the line and mark the other line. Cut along the lines. Since the fabric width is 112 centimeters, you got 12 centimeters left for overlapping the closure. Mark 6 centimeters on each side as shown and cut a notch less than 5 millimeters. Unfold the fabric and lay it flat. Use your tailor's chalk to mark the design of the piping cord. Any design you want. Be creative and be you. Lay the piping cord on top of your marked lines and follow the line around. Fold the fabric with right sides together and line the notches up. Pin both sides in place. Make sure both notches are at the same height by measuring as shown. Sew both sides in place. Finish both sides off with a zigzag stitch on your sewing machine or an overlocker. I used my overlocker. Finished! Turn the cushion cover right side out and push the corners out. Because I used the selvage for overlapping, I didn't need to finish the edges off where it overlaps. If you're not using a selvage, you'll have to sew a narrow hem to prevent the fabric from fraying. Congratulations! I hope you liked this tutorial and enjoyed making your new cushion cover.